going down to Engage. Engage offered a broad range of impressive rates from Locomotive in 2024, covering both steam and diesel subjects. The top three was separated by just 80 votes. In third place was Revolution Trains Class 59. In second place was the Graham Farish LMS Twins. And the winner this year is the Sonic Models Great Western Large Prairie. Next category is for the best narrow gauge locomotive. Narrow gauge continues to grow in its popularity for ready to run. And this year saw the introduction of the NG7 locomotives from Bachmann and Dapple. This category this year combines both 009 and NG7. Third place went to Lionheart Trains and Linton and Barnstable 262 tank. Second place to PK's Large England. And the winner is Bachmann's NG7 Corey Hunsler. Bachmann aren't here, but please give them a round of applause anyway. Next up, moving on to TT120 scale, another growing area for the British Model Railways at the moment. So we had a trio of locomotives produced by Hornby for TT120 during 2024, and our readers, they picked their favourites from those. So the Class 50 came in third place, followed by the HST in second place, and the winner this year for TT120 Locomotive of the Year is the Stania Duchess 462. Next up we move on to Rolling Stock Awards. So next is the best double-O gauge carriage. With 6 to choose from this year, third place went to Rapido Trains Wisbech and Upwell Tramway Coach, followed by Dapple's GWR Top Lights in second place, and the winner is Curious Gales Mark 2B for double-O gauge. Next up is our award for the best double-O gauge wagon. We had a massive 21 new wagons produced during 2024 for double-O gauge, ranging all the way from Liverpool and Manchester railway freight stock to modern-day nuclear wagons. In third place this year was Hornby's TTA 45-ton tanker, followed in second place by Revolution Trains FNAD, and the winner is Curious Gales SR Banana Van. So we're going back up the scale now to O gauge, and a collection of our vehicles this year include those for transporting coal, fuel and parcels. In third place was Minerva Models Siphon G. In second place is Flangeway Models ZZA Snowplow, and the winner is Dapple's TTA. Again, Dapple aren't here this weekend, but please do give them a round of applause. Moving on to our next category, so we've got the best N-gauge carriage of the year. There were 2 types of carriages in the awards this year, and the winner is Revolution Trains for its Caledonian Sleeper Mark 5 coaches. Next up, for N-Gage again, we've got the best N-Gage wagon of the year. This year there were 13 new products for N-Gage in the freight stocks sector, with plenty to choose from. In third place was the Graham Farish Dance Hall brake van. In second place came Rapido Trains with their SECR 6-wheel brake van. And the winner for the 2024 Best N-Gage wagon is Revolution Trains and its FNAD. Moving on to narrow gauge rolling stock, and combined category for carriages and wagons. This time we've got Bachmann's NG7 slate wagon in third place. Bachmann's 009 Gloucester bogie coach came in second place. And the top spot went to Lionheart Trains with its L&B bogie coaches this year. Again, Lionheart Trains are not here, but please do give them a round of applause as well. Next up is another TT120 category, this time for the best carriage or wagon. We had 3 new series of carriages for TT120 scale, as well as freight rolling stock. In third place came the Pico 7-plank open wagons. In second place was Hornby's BR Mark III stock. And the winner for the best TT120 scale carriage or wagon for 2024 is Hornby's 57-foot Stania stock.
Yes, thank you very much.
Positive change to the market for modellers, be either physical features on models or new services. The top 3 voted for by the readers were Hornby's steam generator in third place, Bachmann's auto uncoupling system in second place, while the winner this year is Curascale for its lifetime warranty at Curacare. Next, we're moving on to the Retailer Awards, and for the 2024 Retailer of the Year Award, we took input from respected names in the model railway hobby to bring together a new shortlist for the category. The hotly contested award became a 3-horse race in the end. In third place was Kernow Model Rail Centre. In second place, TMC, and the winner, as voted for by our readers, is Rails of Sheffield. Next, we've got our Specialist Retail of the Year Award, which highlights businesses which have often produced their own products or have a special focus in what they do. In the top 3 selected by our readers are Scale Model Scenery in third place, DCC Concepts in second place, and our winner this year is West Hill Wagon Works. Next, we're moving on to model railways. So our Layout of the Year Award sees all the layouts featured in Hornby magazine put against each other for a reader vote. And this year, for the second year running, layouts modelling real locations topped the charts. In third place is Bath Green Park by Andrew Pearce. In second place is Blair Athol by Ian McCready. And the winner this year is Pete Waterman and the Rail Nuts for making tracks 4 up to the junction. Next award is for the YouTuber of the Year award. Model Railways Online continue to be a source of huge interest, and the top three this year were: in third place is Chandwell, in second place was Sam's Trains, and the winner this year is Chadwick Model Railway. We've now come to our final award for the night, which is for the Hornby Magazine Model Railway Awards. It's the coveted Manufacturer of the Year Award. With 24 names to choose from in the voting, there's plenty of choice for our readers. In third place this year was Hornby, in second place was Batman, and the winner of the 2024 Manufacturer of the Year is a Curascale. And for the Hornby Magazine Model Railway Awards. And we hope you have a great day today. Hope you have another good day tomorrow. Enjoy the beer. And